Ladies and gentlemen, Krzysztof the Polish Geek, and welcome back! Yep, I'm back from the United States. I actually have done like 2 video shorts on it, but now that I'm back from the United States, I have 2 nature adventure videos for you guys about places I've hiked pretty frequently back when I lived in the United States, and I really loved both of those places. I mean, there were actually a lot more hiking places I'd done when I lived in the United States, but I just decided to pick those 2 because it's just hard to pick them all. But those 2 are certainly among my favorites, if not my top 2 favorites actually, and they are Black Point in Narragansett, Rhode Island, which is exactly that small town I went to a boarding school, and then also Purgatory Chasm in Sutton, Massachusetts. Like, Purgatory Chasm is certainly a lot more unique, but Black Point, on the other hand, I've done a lot more times. So the very first nature adventure video I have for you is Black Point. So enjoy my nature adventure video in Black Point in Narragansett, Rhode Island. Hey ladies and gentlemen, Krzysztof the Polish Geek, and welcome to another nature adventure video. And I am in the United States, and more specifically Narragansett, Rhode Island, which is the very place I went to a boarding school. Some of the best years of my life. And the nature adventure I decided to do for you is next to this place called Black Point. It's a really awesome hike, and we frequently went to this place. It's a really awesome place. So let's get to Black Point. But first, let's get a little bit of the feel of Narragansett. Yep, Narragansett. And here is the Christian Brothers Academy. Very familiar sight. They've seen a lot back when I lived here. And here we are at Black Point. Let's start the hike. Yep, Black Point. This is so nostalgic and such a familiar sight. I haven't been here in like 12 years at this point, but I could walk with my eyes closed. Not much has changed, honestly. And here you can see the ocean, the Atlantic Ocean. More ocean. The waves are pretty extreme. It's a cold day today, and it's kind of windy too. Oh, let's see here. I remember going down there a lot. We'll try to go down actually when we reach that point. Going down. Yup, there we are, and here is the ocean. we are, and it's so windy and the waves are so big. Now let's go down into the rocks. It's a little bit gonna be a little tough walk here for those stones, but let's go. Yep, let's now walk on those rocks. Awesome. Let's go further, but let's explore a little bit more of the view. It's really extreme ocean today. But this totally brings me back like 12 years ago when I went to boarding school in Narragansett, some of the best years of my life. This totally brings me back in time. Oh, and seagulls. But I admit, it also makes me really miss those old days that will sadly never return, unfortunately. But always nice to take a peek back. Wow. This is amazing. Well, it's a little dangerous today to go further in such a windy day with extreme waves, so let's go back. Let's take a look at the ocean and the waves one more time, and now let's go back. But this is totally the same place I've been visiting quite a lot back when I lived here in Narragansett and went to my boarding school. Really miss those days, and I'm being honest, this hike did also make me a little sad and made me miss those awesome days that will sadly never be back. Going back now. Ocean still. Yep, we are almost back, so let's go back to the starting point. So, we are back at the starting point. Okay everyone, so that concludes another nature adventure video, and I shared with you a place that I've been going to quite a lot 10 and 12 years ago, back when I went to my boarding school in Rhode Island, and some of the best years of my life. And as I already said, if I'm being honest, this hike did make me miss old times that will certainly never be back, but it's also so nostalgic, and I'm glad I got a chance to share this awesome, amazing place with you. So, thank you guys for checking out this video, and ladies and gentlemen, press the like button, please subscribe to this channel, and I'll talk to you soon in another video. Talk to you then, bye!